Welcome. Today we are diving into the world of serverless computing and exploring the top 5 serverless platforms available. We will discuss function as a service, also known as FaaS, and serverless computing. These are modern cloud solutions that offer incredible flexibility and scalability for your applications. Let's get started. So, what exactly is serverless computing? Serverless is a cloud computing model where developers can focus entirely on writing and deploying code without worrying about the underlying infrastructure. The cloud provider, whether it's Amazon, Google, or Microsoft, automatically manages servers, scaling, and provisioning. This approach comes with several key benefits. First, it offers auto-scaling, meaning your application can handle increased traffic without any manual intervention. Second, it offers pay-per-use, so you only pay for the compute time your code actually consumes. Third, it requires zero maintenance because the cloud provider handles all the server upkeep. And fourth, it offers faster deployment, allowing you to get your applications up and running quickly. At the number 1 spot, we have AWS Lambda from Amazon Web Services. Lambda is a highly popular serverless platform known for its event-driven execution model. This means your code runs in response to triggers such as HTTP requests, database updates, or messages. Lambda functions have a maximum runtime of 15 minutes, making them suitable for short-lived tasks. It also supports multiple programming languages including Python, Node.js, Java, and more, and can be configured with up to 10 gigabytes of memory, providing sufficient resources for many workloads. Here is a simple Python Lambda function as an example. It imports the JSON library, defines a function called Lambda handler that takes event and context as arguments. The function retrieves the name from the event, defaulting to world, if not provided, and returns a status code of 200 with a body containing a JSON string that says hello to the given name. Coming in at number 2 is Google Cloud Functions. This platform stands out with its seamless integration with Firebase, Google's mobile and web application development platform. Like other serverless platforms, Google Cloud Functions supports HTTP and event-based triggers. It also utilizes Google's global edge locations, providing low latency and high availability for your functions. Google Cloud Functions also offers a generous free tier, making it an attractive option for developers looking to experiment or run small-scale applications. Here's an example of an HTTP function written using Flask in Python. It defines a Flask app, sets up a route for the route path that accepts post requests, and defines a function called Hello World. This function retrieves the name from the JSON data sent in the request, defaulting to world if not provided. It then returns a JSON response containing a message that says hello to the specified name. Taking the number 3 spot is Azure Functions. This platform is deeply integrated with the Microsoft ecosystem, making it an excellent choice for organizations already invested in Microsoft technologies. It is known for its enterprise-grade integration capabilities, allowing seamless connection with various Azure services and other enterprise systems. Azure Functions offers durable functions, which allow you to write stateful functions in a serverless compute environment. Also, it offers hybrid cloud support, enabling you to run functions on premises, in Azure, or in other cloud environments. Azure Functions provides tools within Visual Studio, which makes development and deployment easier for developers familiar with the IDE. Here is an example of a timer trigger function written in Python. It imports the Azure Functions library and the logging library. It defines a main function that takes a timer object as an argument. It logs that the timer function has been executed and checks if the timer is past due, and logs it accordingly, and returns a message indicating that the function is completed. At number 4, we have Vercel Functions. This platform is particularly well suited for modern web applications, especially those built with Next.js. Vercel functions are designed to run on the edge, closer to the end users, which reduces latency and improves performance. It provides automatic optimization for Next.js applications, which simplifies the deployment process, Vercel leverages a global content delivery network, CDN, to ensure fast delivery of your functions content worldwide. Vercel Functions is front-end-focused, offering a streamlined experience for web developers. This is an example of an API route handler written in JavaScript for use with Next.js. It exports a default function called handler that takes a request and response object as arguments. It extracts the name from the request query parameters and sends a JSON response with a status code of 200, containing a message saying hello to the name or world if no name is provided, along with a timestamp. And rounding out our top 5 is Cloudflare Workers. This platform excels in providing edge computing solutions with over 200 global locations. Cloudflare Workers are known for their zero cold starts, which ensures that your functions respond instantly without any delay. It provides built-in security features, leveraging Cloudflare's robust security infrastructure to protect your functions from threats. Cloudflare Workers offers a generous free tier, which includes 100,000 requests per day, making it an excellent choice for small to medium-sized projects. Here is an example of a fetch event handler written in JavaScript for Cloudflare Workers. It adds an event listener for the fetch event and responds with the result of the handle request function. The handle request function constructs a new response with the message hello from Edge and sets the content type header to text or plain. In conclusion, selecting the right serverless platform depends on your specific needs and priorities. AWS Lambda is the enterprise leader. Google Cloud Functions offers seamless Firebase integration. Azure Functions is ideal for those in the Microsoft ecosystem. Vercel Functions is great for front-end-focused applications. And Cloudflare Workers provides exceptional edge performance. Evaluate your requirements, existing infrastructure, and development preferences to make the best choice for your projects. Start building serverless applications today. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.